Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you sisters and brother? Hopefully we're always in good condition ya. Okay, today we will study mathematics with Miss Indah. Nah, before we open our study, ya, please open with doa. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyyan wa rasula. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin. Okay, today we will discuss about money. And there are two topic lists maybe that we will discuss today. And let's do the PowerPoint. Okay. Nah, the first we can discuss about making up an amount of money, ya Kak. Next. Jadi ini caranya kita membuat sejumlah uang seperti itu. Nah, there are some example. The first, the paper clip cost 30 cents ya. Ini ada paper clip seharga 30 cents. And we can pay for it with, nah berapa sih? Kita harus membayarnya dengan uang apa? Seperti itu. Caranya 30 cents ini, ya kemarin kan kita sudah tahu beberapa cents coin and note of Singapore. Ya. So, 30 cents ini bisa kita dapat dari 20 cents and 10 cents. Why? Because 20 cents plus 10 cents equals 30 cents ya. Karena kan no 30 cents coin in Singapore. Karena tidak ada koin yang senilai 30 cents ya. So kita bisa menggunakan, we can use 20 cents coin and 10 cents coin. Like this ya Kak. Then what are the different ways? Nah, if we don't have 20 cents, how miss? It's no problem. We can pay with 10 cents, but we must have how much? Kira-kira. Kalau untuk bisa mendapatkan 30 cents, sedangkan kita punya 10 cents, kita harus punya 10 cents ini sebanyak berapa? Ya, that's right, 3, because 10 cents ya, plus 10 cents plus 10 cents equals 30 cents. So we can pay for it with ini 20 cents ya and 10 cents coin. Or also we can pay for it with 3 10 cents coin. Kita bisa membayarkan dengan 3 koin senilai 10 cents. Next, the notebook cost. Ini bacanya gimana? Ayo. We can read this by gimana bacanya? Ya, good job Kak. 55 cents ya, because meskipun ini dalam dollars, but the dollars value is berapa? 0. So the money just in cents, hanya 55 cents. Then we can pay for it with, gimana kalau 55? Berarti we must have 50 cents and berapa? 5 cents ya. 50 cents plus 5 cents equals 55 cents. Or we can also pay for it with, kira-kira berapa? If we don't have 50 cents, ya we can exchange by berapa? 50 cents itu bisa juga kita ganti dengan 20 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents, and 5 cents. This is two of 20 cents ya Kak. Oh, I'm sorry. Maksudnya Miss Indah ada 3 10 cents. Ya, 10 cents-nya ada 3, not 2, but 3. Nah, that's right. Ya. 20 cents plus 10 cents. Ya. 10 cents-nya kan 3, berarti 30 cents plus 20 cents plus 5 equals 55 cents. Next, the t-shirt costs $17. We can pay for it with berapa kira-kira? Sekarang money-nya pakai note, dollars note. Nah, so we must have $10, ya, $5 and $2. Because 10 plus 5 plus 2 equals $17. Good job. But I don't have $2 not, Miss. How we can pay? Kalau kita nggak punya $2 gimana nih, Miss? It's no problem because $2, ya, we can exchange with berapa kemarin? Ya, $1. We can exchange for $1, but how much? Ada 2, ada $1. Nah, so we can pay for it with, ya, $10, $5, and $2 note, or ya, we can also pay for it with $10, $5 notes, ya, and $1 coin. Next, the watch costs $65.75. So we can pay for it with berapa kira-kira? Nah, karena ini kan ada money of dollars, ada dollarsnya 65, and then ada cents-nya 75 ya. We can check the first, we can check of dollars. Dicek dulu dolarnya. Kalau 65 berarti we must have $50, $10, and $5 ya. So 50 plus 10 plus 5 equals ya $65. Then we check cents coin. Ya, cents coins-nya ada 50 cents, 20 cents, and 5 cents. So 50 plus 20 plus 5 equals 75 cents. Ya, we can pay it for nih. Yang ada nih muslimnya ini 50 $10, $5, and 50 cents, 20 cents, and 5 cents ya Kak. Understand Kak? Keep fighting ya. Second, we will discuss about adding and subtracting money. Jadi menjumlahkan dan mengurangi nilai uang. Seperti apa? Yeah, there are some stationery in bookshop and they have some cost. Ada harganya masing-masing. Keisha buys a notebook and an eraser. How much does he pay? We can add the cost of notebook and eraser. Nah, how much for notebook? Notebook kan harganya 50 cents and eraser 25. So 50 plus 25 equals 75. Yeah. So he pays 75 cents. Next, Anna pays for a ruler with 50 cents. How much change does she get? Kalau Anna membeli nih penggaris 35 cents, but she pays by 50 cents. So how much change? Kalau mencari kembalian berarti diapakan? That's right, dikurangi ya atau subtract. So 50 ya minus 35 equals 15. She gets 15 cents in change. Then Rani buys a chicken and a sack of rice. How much does she pay? Ya, tadi kalau menanyakan how much does she pay, yang dia harus bayar ya. So we can adding or subtracting. Good job with adding ya Kak. So $6 ya, because the cost of chicken, harganya chicken $6 plus ini harganya rice $14 equals $20. Alright. And the last, Ricky buys a sack of rice. He pays the cashier with $50 note. How much change does he get? Ya. Tadi how much of rice? Harganya rice berapa tadi? Nah ini ya, $14. Harganya rice $14 and Ricky pays with $50. Nah, so how much change we can? Yeah, good job. We can subtracting 50 minus 14 equals $36. Oke, good job Kak. Understand ya Kak? Nah, thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. And before we close our lesson today, please close by doa. Yuk berdoa yuk. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Amin. Oke, thank you. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.